What's up guys and welcome back to another episode of Coding with Kabir. So guys, in this video we're going to discuss about how can we do bubble sorting. So without any further ado, let me show you what is bubble sorting. So slideshow mode. What is bubble sorting? So bubble sorting is an algorithm that is used to arrange a set of values in ascending or descending order. And a real-life world example of bubble sorting algorithm is how the contact list on your phone. You might have noticed sometimes it's like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, how you have to say the names. So okay, how does bubble sorting work? So I'll explain you with this. So how does bubble sorting work? So first the computer is going to compare these two starting numbers. And since 3 is greater than 2, it's going to swap these two values. And then we're going to have an array, which is going to be rearranged to this array like this. So here, now since 9 is greater than 3, it's not going to switch. It's gonna be remaining like this only, but instead of this pattern now, it's gonna follow the 9 and 6. It's gonna compare 9 and 6. And then the further it gets executed till the last index, then we get our final array. Like this is our first array, this is our second array, our last array. So now without any further ado, let's open IntelliJ IDEA and click on new project. Then click on, let's name this as bubble sorting. How to do bubble sorting. How to do bubble sorting. Bubble sorting. Okay, click on enter. And as you can see, our screen is loaded. Now we're going to remove our printline statement and we're going to go in our public class main and delete public, and we're going to say to a class bubble sorting. Okay, great. Now we're going to have our public static void again. Public static void. Let's say as bubble sorting but with a lowercase b. Some brackets, some curly braces. So now we are missing the b for the bubble. So now we're going to say integer square brackets a, and in the first line we're going to say integer n is equals to a dot length. Now we're going to create some for loops. So for like that and that. Yep. Now we're going to say integer I is equals to 0, I shall be less than n minus 1, I plus plus. Another for loop. It's going to be integer j equals 0, j shall be less than n minus I minus 1, n minus I minus 1, and j plus plus. Now we're going to have a if condition. So we're going to say if, let's say if n j is equals to n I, then wait. Now let's set this to a only. A, j, and ai. Oopsie. Right. If aj is less than ai, then we're gonna do like create integer temp. It's gonna be integer temp is gonna be let's say aj semicolon, then aj is equals to aj plus 1 semicolon, then aj plus 1 is equals to temp. Great. Now we're gonna come back into our public static void main. string args, and inside this we're gonna create our array first. So it's gonna be, let's say, integer x with arr is equals to some curly braces. I'll just give it random numbers. Now we're gonna say bubble sorting, capital B, bubble sorting, OB equals new bubble sorting. Now in the next line we're gonna get a print line statement, and we're just gonna copy this whole statement, and let's set the print line statement to real array. Then in the next line we're gonna say arrays dot to string arr. Then we're gonna say in the next line ob dot bubble sort. Bubble sorting arr. In the next line we're gonna say a print line statement, and that we're gonna say sorted array. And this is gonna be the last line of code, and it's gonna be arrays dot to string arrays dot to string arr, and click on Control R. Let's check the output. And okay, we have our real array, and let me check. And wait, I guess we should just say j plus 1 here only. Now let's try it out. Yep, great. So we just have to say j plus 1 instead of instead of I. So now we have our array. Our real array without any sorting is 1, 3, 34, 2, 25, 34, 5. And then our sorted array is 1, 2, 3, 5, 25, 34, 34. And yes, that's it for today's video, guys. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, because that motivates me. Videos for you like this one, and like the video if you haven't already. And if you have any questions related to coding, just go down in the description. You can find my email there, which is paseenkabir@gmail.com. And yes, until next time, it's me, Kabir, logging off.